Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue with the verb series, and this is part 3 of the verb series. Volunteer, volunteer, volunteer. The second sign is volunteer. V, volunteer, volunteer. Wrestle, wrestle, wrestle. Fight, fight, fight. Challenge, challenge, challenge. It's like accident, but the movement is side to side. So the sign for accident is accident, accident. But now when signing challenge, it is challenge, challenge. Control, control, control. We use X hand shapes, both hands, then the movement is alternative. Control, control. Dance, dance, dance. D hand shape, dance. Type, type, type. You just show the way you type on the keyboard. Type. One, one, one. Compare, compare, compare. It's like saying maybe, but this time it is slower. Maybe. Compare. You are checking if this one is the same with this one, so it goes slowly. Compare. Raise, raise, raise. Open palm and add handshake. Raise, raise. Use, use, use. U handshake, making circular movements. Use, use. Utilize, 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 utilize. It's like saying or signing busy, busy. If we sign busy, we use B handshake, busy. And now we are signing utilize. We use U handshake, utilize. Connect, 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 disconnect, disconnect, disconnect. So we connect and disconnect, disconnect. Repeat, repeat, repeat. It is different from raise because when we sign raise, we put R on the open palm, then the movement goes up. Raise. But when we are signing repeat, we just put an R on an open palm. Repeat, repeat. This was the third episode or part 3 of the verb series, and if you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be able to get all the other episodes and also learn more in sign language. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and also subscribing to this channel and being part of this family. I really appreciate. Please leave a comment on what you would like me to teach you, and I will sure put a video just for you. See you in my next video. Bye.